Are you looking for the best automotive paint guns? I have compiled a list of top 5 best automotive paint guns this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand Edge Series Car Spray Gun. The Ingersoll Rand 210G is another versatile spray gun with an air adjustment valve and an easy-to-use knob that allows you to choose the pattern and flow. This model features a gravity feed with an operating pressure of 60 psi and a 1.4 mm nozzle. It also has a no-drip cup and a suspension hook to store the spray gun once you are done using it. The air adjustment valves give you full control over the air pressure, so you do not end up overspraying or wasting precious paint. Keep in mind that this paint gun is not meant for use with all types of paints. Before you kickstart your auto painting project, ensure that the paint you plan to use will work with the gun. So long as it does, however, the lightweight, user-friendly structure makes this spray gun a good pick. Number 2. Graco Magnum Automotive Paint Gun. The Magnum X7 airless paint sprayer is a premium device with plenty to offer in terms of features and performance. You can work on all kinds of DIY projects and use up to 125 gallons of paint per year due to this functional and affordable automotive paint gun. This airless model allows you to control the paint pressure for a smooth and accurate application. Thinning is a thing of the past due to the high-pressure stainless steel pump. The Magnum X7 uses this powerful pressure to atomize thick paints and is compatible with primers and stains as well. Fast, one-pass coverage is also possible thanks to the 5 or 8 HP universal motor. You will also save time and energy thanks to the handy 5-gallon container and cart that are sold with this model. While it's nice that you can adjust the pressure on this paint gun, it is prone to overspraying, so be diligent with paint tape and keep an eye out for errors as you work. It works quickly, but the speed can compromise the result. Number 3. 3M Automotive Paint Gun with Standard PPS. The 3M 16580 ACA spray gun system is a comprehensive and zero-maintenance auto paint gun with a ton of features. Its one-piece design was designed for a wide variety of applications and has the necessary nozzles for all kinds of paint jobs. Each system comes with 1.4 mm, 1.8 mm, and 2 mm atomizing heads. The smallest size is suitable for base coats and top coats in addition to sealers, while the 1.8 mm nozzle is used to apply gel and primer coats. You can also use the spray gun for more complex projects that require industrial coating or adhesives. The 3M 16580 paint spray gun has an adjustable fan diameter and includes its signature paint preparation system disposable liners, so your paint cup is clean and ready for use. One thing to keep in mind is the sensitivity of the nozzles. Because of the structure, they run into issues with low viscosity, thick paints. User feedback highlights that this spray gun is better suited to higher viscosity materials. As a result, it may be better for primers instead of more nuanced paint jobs. Number 4. Titan Tool Control Max Car Paint Spray Gun. The Control Max 1900 from Titan is an incredibly durable and efficient car paint gun kit that you can wheel around your vehicle with ease. This portable feature is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to this model. Spray painting the bumper or any other part is simple, due to the new tip technology that reduces overspray while giving you better control over the paint flow. The pump and sprayer combo is designed to be used with unthinned coatings. This model also delivers when it comes to pressure with 1600 psi that allows you to spray up to 500 gallons each year. Moreover, this kit comes with a long, flexible hose that allows you to walk freely without wheeling the heavy gallon behind you. While this spray painter is powerful, it comes at the expense of consistency. The spray pattern can be uneven, resulting in reduced transfer efficiency. Take your time when using more viscous paints to ensure an even result. Number 5. Fuji Gravity HVLP Automotive Paint Gun. The Fuji 2203G Semi-Pro 2 system is one of the best professional automotive paint spray guns available. This handy tool caters to both professionals and homeowners who want an easy-to-use spray system that delivers a flawless finish. The Semi-Pro 2 model has a wealth of features, including a precise fan with a rear-situated pattern control and a durable stainless steel tube. You can easily adjust the flow and paint pattern while you work on different areas, and experiment with different cap sizes that deliver different levels of viscosity. This design allows you to switch between a gravity feed and a traditional bottom feed gun, giving you the best of both worlds in terms of versatility and air pressure control. Despite its tough structure, this paint gun has a few downsides. The nozzle is prone to clogs, and the metal exterior will rust easily. Clean and dry the paint gun regularly, storing it somewhere dry to prevent premature wear and tear.